I remember the time when the people laughing. So we will never reach your targets because the ASTER, it's amazing a new DAX promoted by CZ. But guys, we just sooner or later will land to the first zone of interest. It's just a matter of time. Just a matter of time. Even if we hold it now, bounce, hit the new, for example, high, one day the ASTER, I think, it's just my personal opinion, I think will reach 37 cents 30 and 30 cents 86. In the worst case scenario, we can reach even 21.68, 17.64, and invalidation of this idea if the token will dump to 10 cents. This is indication accumulation pump model. Everything absolutely still relevant since September 2025. All zones relevant, so let's hide the take profit. Take a look how the price respect the level and reject at zero level. So this is it because it was a daily candle close top. Now we reject it. Reject and reject twice that level. Found the support at 38, but I'm not sure we're gonna hold it. So if BTC now it's 68,700. So if BTC will continue going down, and today I just post my idea about BTC. So ASTER can drop 45% more. I hope not, guys. Of course, I'm not spread only the bad news, but it's reality. So you can hate it, you can love it, but guys, the market makers can deliver the price to the main zone of interest, what they market before, and the initiation accumulation pump model with the simple levels, you can follow that steps because I'm more than sure that market makers not put the orders buy sell manually. It's a bots, it's a soft, and everything can play out perfectly well, like for many other tokens which already listed Zone 22, Zone 25. So highly recommend you just go and check how that token's playing out. And many tokens now, unfortunately, dump it even on the even lowest listing prices. I don't think so. The ASTER will drop now, but open the DYDX page. You'll be impressed. DYDX was amazing, so promising DAX platform. Who could even imagine? So the DYDX from $25 dump even to 6 cents, I guess was on HTX October 10. 6 cents. It's mind-blowing. And I explain it. So the DAX platform can work perfectly well even without the high price of the token. So the zone of interest, guys, still the same, 37.30 cents. Will we drop? I have no idea. Nobody knows the future. But now we retested the fundamental value of the ASTER. It's good. 12 time frame. The buy line at this current moment is 44.23. Fundamental value of this token is 33.44 on 12 time frame. Weekly time frame, there is no data yet. Not enough data. 4-hour time frame. We didn't retest the buy line. Now it's 39.47. Fundamental value, it's 29.49. So guys, honestly, I don't think so. It's a good idea to buy now. Sometimes, guys, it's better to skip the token than just buying now, than just buying randomly. Of course, it's some tokens is in a good condition now. All right, let's take a look at EZ dashboard. I highly recommend you just use the brand new indicator all in one place, so you can adjust the time frames in the settings and track all in one place. This is accumulation. So sooner or later, anyway, all market will rebound. And a rebound for the ASTER, I think, will be over than this $1.40. That's why now it's 60.10, so $1.20 withdraw initial deposit. This is it. I wish, I don't want to trade at ASTER, but if I could trade, I wish to see the lower price, like 36 cents, 94, this area, for example. And rebounds, it's going to be the bigger divergence ever since December 2025. Crush here and rebound. So this is going to be the trigger for reversal move. We can reverse even from now, from zero level, but I don't think so. February 1st one was just the beginning of some accumulation. Here the people laughing, so no. we go into the $5 to $10 and all of these random numbers, guys. But only now in February, the big whales start to accumulate. That's why I highly recommend you use the indicator set to determine what the whales do now. Daily, it's after capitulation, some hopium, just a rebound, and the weekly time frame, we still overhype it in a still a free zone. It's kind of bad. It means we can drop a little bit lower or maybe not a little bit. Money power, we rebound from the bottom, but without money inflow on a weekly. Daily, some money inflow was here in December. Now nothing. So we rebound without money inflow. So it's a bearish signal. Trade on. Here is a buy. Recommendation close position. No new signal to buy, guys. And the buy recommendation close position today. Not confirmed yet, but it is what it is. Sell. 4-hour time frame was yesterday. Today, I guess we'll go lower. And yes, we can form the 1, 2, 3. 3 drives pattern down. So be ready. Not in one candle, just in the next few days. Be ready. First of all, if it was the bottom, be ready to see at least retest of 51.71 to form the head and shoulder pattern. A local 104 time frame. 1, 2. Going to be the 3, and the size of this head and shoulder will be the zone of fixation 74.43, 79.34. So this is it, guys. If we will start from the 3 drives pattern, usually it's playing out like this one, and with the V-shape recover or without, we will rebound higher. So 2 zones. This one for long. It's, of course, no makes sense to open long with this type of stop losses, but I don't know, put it around here at the order block, like 12% stop loss again with the second leverage against $100, 100%. And the second one is here. So I don't know where to add a stop loss here. Need to take in a moment. But 37.30. So let's add alert, for example, at this block firstly. We will see, I guess, by end of this week, these levels. So guys, if you would like to trade with my customer Chris, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, Joe Mattegum. See you next time, guys.